welcome back to my channel. It's Fine My coming back to you guys with another video. Finally, after a long time. This video is a little bit different. I wanted to do something that kind of incorporated all the seasons since I'm kind of late on getting this video out to you guys, but that's a whole nother story. So I have a bunch of clothes to show you from Boohoo and Fashion Nova. Okay, so your girl is all over the place, bear with me, but we're gonna get into this fashion haul and show y'all some cute pieces that I got from both companies. Okay, stay tuned. So this shirt is from Boohoo. Has like a little nice little print, animal print. It's a square neck. It's pretty thick. Okay, the straps are a little questionable, risque if you ask me, but if you have bigger boobs, I don't know how the situation will work for you, but my ant heels aren't going anywhere, so I'm pretty good with that. Comes really low in the back here, but looks pretty good. I like it. It is a bodysuit, so it goes down, you know, into all those areas. It's a little high on the sides. Okay, so if I'm stretching, I'm a pretty tall girl, so 5'9", you know, giraffe status. But the pants are really cute too. These pants are a size 5 from Fashion Nova, and these fit great to me. I mean, I have on a belt, but they do still fit a little big in the back. Okay, that's for all my non-existent butt that I have, but that's another story. But they have nice little rips in them, and I think they'll be a great addition to my closet. This top is a snake skin print top from Fashion Nova. Pretty flowy. Okay, real cute. And it comes with this little like layer here that folds underneath. Okay, I don't have a bra on with this, but it doesn't really show too much. I like it. This is another bodysuit. This is from Boohoo. Okay, size 4. Another snake skin print. This one's a little bit more thin. I would wear a bra with it. The only thing is in the back, it scoops really low. So if you can find a bra that sits lower, that's great. Or some stickies. I have pasties on, but some stickies to kind of help with the little breast lift there. This also comes up a little high on the sides, but if you have a good jean to hold it in, then that's good. But this one's pretty cute too. The only thing I don't like about it is it has like, hold on, let me show you. I know it seems weird on camera. It has this like, there we go, like a button bodysuit. And those buttons hurt, okay? I don't know. Tie it to the side. Look, I might have made a mug. Hold up. I might have did some. Oh no. That don't look good. This is also another shirt from Boohoo. Okay, just a t-shirt here, size 4. Really chill, casual shirt to wear. Simple but cute. Not too much going on. Rock it with some sneakers, you're good to go. Here's another shirt. It's not this pink as it looks on camera. It's more of a salmon color, but pretty cute. Simple, laid back, chill tee, you know. So I have this black Bandeau top. Okay. And it comes pretty much to my mid section here. And then I have this vertical stripe mid-thigh skirt, and this is a size small, and it hugs me pretty tight. I like it how it sucks that in, blows that out, you know. I need all the help I can get, but yeah, this is nice. I like it. Really. Wow. This is a off-shoulder black sweater from Boohoo. And it's actually pretty warm, pretty thick, pretty long. I have the wingspan of a dragon, so it fits me, it should fit you. And it's a look. This is another off the shoulders top, long, and it kind of falls down. But we'll get that fixed. This is from Boohoo as well. I love this blue on me. It just brings out my skin tone so nice. Then these pants are from Fashion Nova. Okay, these are some really cute checkerboard pants. First time I put these on, I ripped them right in the middle because I'm so thick, obviously. But yeah, these are super cute too. They're kind of tight, but they're flexible. That's probably how I ripped them the first time, so let me stop. But they're pretty flexible, a lot of room. And I think they just pair so well with this nice blue top. Okay, with another outfit, this one's a little bit see-through, but this is a bodysuit from Boohoo, as well as kind of like a square neck white bodysuit. I don't really like a lot of white stuff because obviously you can see through it, and yeah. And then I paired it with these Fashion Nova flare pant jeans. They're pretty long. I don't know if you can see how long they are. I'm 5'9", but they still come all the way down to the floor with me, even on my tippy toes. So it hugs me pretty nicely. And they give me this nice little look. And I look like a 70s, you know, type of vibe. Okay, now this one is another top from Boohoo. It's a long sleeve, kind of like a taupe brown caramel color, ribbed bodysuit as well. This one, I gotta figure out my bra situation because it's that square neck and my bra wants to keep coming up and showing. Pretty cute top, really simple. Nice color that you can wear with a lot of stuff. Kind of see-through as well, but I think if I get like a brown bra this color, then we can make it work. This one is another top from Boohoo, off the shoulder, olive ribbed bodysuit again. As y'all can see, I love bodysuits just because I don't have to deal with all the excess fabric. I don't have to tuck it in and look silly, so bodysuits, the way to go. Got a long abdomen like me, the way to go. I have really broad shoulders, so I could probably be a good crumper. I don't know. But yeah, nice, cute top. Real simple. Simple is the way to go. Okay, this is one of my favorite outfits. It is from Fashion Nova as well. Top, Fashion Nova. It is roses. It's like gives me a little salsa vibe. Flowy, off the shoulders, or you can wear it on your shoulders. So, but I like it off the shoulders. It gives it a little bit more of a spicy vibe, you feel me? These pants are from Fashion Nova as well. These are black flare jeans on my tippy toes again. So you see how long they are. Well, I'm out of breath. Oh, anyways, nice. I love how they curve your body out again. I love this outfit. It's so just me. Red's my color and it's so spicy and fun. Yeah, it's pretty cute. I say that all the time, pretty cute. This is another top from Boohoo and has some lips on it. I don't know, I have a thing with like lips and the animal print. I don't know, maybe because it was just on sale. Anyway, simple top, black, normal little, just, you know, kick it with some Vans type of vibe. But really cute. It's like this metallic silver, even though I'm wearing gold. We don't follow rules. These pants are from Fashion Nova. They are a size 5 and they come to the ankle. There's some ankle jeans. Now these fit a little bit tighter than my other size 5s that I have, but these are a lighter wash and they have more ripped, more distressed areas on the jeans as well. So they fit pretty good though. Size 5s. This is another lip animal print tee, also on sale, so don't do me, thank you. But nice, kind of like a muscle shirt. Show off all them muscles I have, you know, when I just leave the gym, you know. But this one's cute too, I like it. I like the style. But let me tell you, this neck here, you don't have a lot to give, okay? And my head isn't that big, at least I don't think so, but it's not that big. And I just had to fight to get inside this neck hole. Just a heads up, if you got a big head, this may not work for you. You might have to, I don't know, cut the neck out some more, make it work, bada bing, bada boom. This shirt was only like $4, so for the price, we'll make it work. I'll suck my head in or something. We'll figure it out. But this is cute. Cute. So this is another V-neck. And this is from Fashion Nova. It's just a long sleeve black V-neck to put it on under something or whatever case may be, just for the cold weather. And these are like one of my favorite pair of jeans. They fit so nice. They're high waist. Well, they're pretty high waist. This is my belly button, so they're pretty high waist. And they just fit really nice. I have this in black. And I have it in gray. Okay. But they look the same, just 2 different colors. This is just a little gray cardigan. Buttons down. So a simple gray cardigan, gold detailed buttons. Okay, this is a shirt from Fashion Nova. And fun fact, I just realized that this is blue and not black, like a navy blue and not black. And I've had this shirt for a while, so that lets you know how much I pay attention. Like a sweater material. It comes about, it is cropped, so it comes to about your belly button. So I like this mustard tone, and I like it with the navy. It has the white stripes too. I don't know where I was going with this one. I really don't know. I look like Wanda in disguise. It's fun, but I don't know where I would wear it to. It's warm. So this may be something I wear around the house in my closet where no one can see it. This dress from Boohoo. Super cute, super elegant. I love it. This is so cute. And it shapes you just so nicely. Just Bodycon dress. Has this metallic like scaling, I don't know, fish scales, reptile scales, I don't know, but super cute. Has a nice shape to it. And don't know where I would wear it, but it's in my closet for whenever I need it. But I like it. It's fun, it's colorful, and it's full of life, like me. And it's, this material is like very stretchy and elastic, so it keeps you all sucked in, so nothing is moving all night, you know. Thank you guys so much for tuning in into my fashion haul. Let me know what you want to see next. Comment down below. Hit that like button and the subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bell so you can see my videos when they do drop. Thank you very much. And stay tuned. I have some more videos coming for you. Bye.